This is a Hyosung Lone Rider, is what I'm calling it. It's made by Hyosung, which is the maker of Chinese scooters nowadays. But this is a 1985 model. Looks like a single-person golf cart or a factory cart used in the manufacturing world. Supervisors would ride these around and check on their employees. It's has four 6-volt batteries underneath the seat. Actually, they're in that little cubbyhole area. 24-volt system, suspension front and rear, forward, reverse, all mechanical pretty much. No crazy electronics. It has an engine or motor, a couple of batteries. It's a fun little cart. It's the only one I've seen, so I'm not sure how many there are around, but only one I've seen. And the internet, nothing on it, so I decided to make a video. And now I'll go for a drive. I'm at White Rose Motorcycle Club. We're having a swap meet this weekend. So I brought all my goodies out and I brought this to drive around. And there's some more stuff. Can't get any cooler than that. No siree, Bob. Here comes Dave Miller.